Oh, and thanks for this.
Thanks for this. Which one am I going to watch?
Yeah,
I can't afford anything.
Yeah, you
I'm a
can.
poor YouTuber.
Oh, please.
I can't afford any of this stuff. Well, we've made it. We're at the Van Life Festival. We're all set up. We've got a little house pitched up. This is our little area here. We're going to go for a little walk into the festival itself to see what we can find. What do you reckon, Becky? Should we just walk along here and go and explore?
Yeah, I think we should start and walk around anyway.
Yeah.
Just make our way.
Alright. Let's do that, shall we? They're still busy ushering people in. Morning. How's it going?
Getting there.
Getting
Good. Should be good.
You're ramming them in, look.
Oh,
they're still coming in.
Confusion now. Somewhere knows what we're doing.
Yeah. They're still coming in. Thick and fast.
Hello, Joe Camping.
Found you by first thinking we were going to do the, you know, sort of like the run the whole thing off it.
Yeah.
Googled it, found you, went right, he's done it, we can do it, and then we ended up getting the Bluetti whatever.
Oh, let's have a look.
Because the first one was no good. So,
oh yeah,
so
look at that, all built in.
Nothing else though.
No, nothing else.
No split charge
No.
relay.
No.
Just literally, it's, you know, 410 on the roof.
Yeah. And you're all right with it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's spalling all
Makes
over it.
perfect sense.
But there's no holes, no mess.
No.
It's done.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No huge array of wires.
No, I'm not a clever
I'm really
electrician,
pleased.
so.
What's your name?
Colin.
Colin, thank you, Colin. It's nice to
meet you.
nice to meet someone.
Nice to
that-
meet the people who do this stuff. Thanks for your content as
I
well.
like the way you've done that. Can I
Yeah.
have a look? Look at that.
It's two bedside cabinets.
Yeah.
A couple of nightstands. So there's some food,
Look at that.
air fryer.
It's so well organised. Puts my van to shame.
Now we went. Oh, and thanks for this.
Thanks for this. It's my doppelganger. It's so funny.
It's got to do that. You say what it works, so we'll.
Yeah,
If it works for you, it's got to work for me.
that's brilliant.
Yeah. So,
And I love the dark stained wood as well.
That, so those
No,
are
it's done.
two bedside
Oh,
cabinets.
really?
Cabinets off the
That were
Oh,
off eBay.
up on top of
This
each other.
Screws up to
Yeah.
your legs.
I love
This
that.
kitchen here was like
This
a
was a
big
G-plan unit
full
with a
long
big,
dresser.
Big dresser, so we cut it
Shot
to
one of the
pieces.
cupboards off,
Oh, I love the cupboard.
coloured it all, scaffolding plank,
Yeah, I was noticing the scaffold.
cutting board. We were going, what we're going to use for
Yeah,
one of
I love
those.
this.
Found the cutting board of the thing is. Yeah, oh, you have to put that back, yeah. So,
Oh, I
yeah,
love it.
Bed pulls out, so it's a full length, king
Yeah,
size.
and it goes
the
over the sofa, yeah.
IKEA sofa.
That's
So
a
does
really
it go
nice.
around the side cupboards then?
No, so it pulls
It
out
goes
to
up
here,
to-
up to that, but you've got then the full length there, and then the full width, so we just lie, getting out of bed you slide
That's
down
fantastic.
like that. But it works.
It's all,
you
it's
slide
all,
it
it's all
back.
people like yours fault though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
You're the second person that said it's all your fault.
Yeah.
No, but it's so lovely to see people inspired because it makes
Exactly.
your life
That's
so
it.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As I say, the idea of doing that,
We had a
forget the
motor
gas.
And we got
Yeah.
robbed.
Yeah, broken
We
into
got
water
rammed up
in
the
it.
back end. We
I
got
saw-
robbed
I-
in Holland. We got rammed up the rear in Spain. We were frightened to death of leaving it.
Yeah.
Came
we
home,
got that
sold
money
it,
sat in it.
retired
Yeah,
and built
so-
this.
Do you know the one thing we can't find is a new mat?
Ah.
Well, we can, but
Okay.
we haven't yet, and it's like that was from that came in the van. I think so that we really need to get a new mat.
Fantastic. Thanks for showing
We
us.
usually
Brilliant.
Thank
Really
you.
You guys
appreciate
can't
it.
tell you in the creative.
That,
Now, one thing I like about Van Life Festival is the interesting characters you often come across, and Nigel is certainly one of them. Look at this table he's made. So you were saying, Nigel, about the old and new,
Yeah, basically the van is modern with an old school inside.
right?
So I've gone for old school coins on the outside with modern ones.
It's really nice.
In the middle.
I love- and that's all resin, isn't it?
It's all 2-pack resin, yeah.
No
I love
air
these worn
bubbles.
out ones as well. No air
Yeah.
bubbles. First one I've ever done.
That's incredible. And you make these signs as well?
I do, yeah. It'd be worth seeing it when it is.
Oh, look. No, come on. That is nice.
I knew you'd love it.
Yeah. Wow, I like the display, Luke.
That's our working wiring diagram so people can see where fuses go and how you should wire things up, etc.
Oh, right, look at that. Yeah. And this is the name of your company?
That's the company there,
There you go,
Bluefix.
Bluefix. So if you've got any questions about Victron energy products, then Luke or Mark, they're the man to go to. He recognises my voice.
Yeah, you can do that actually. Yeah.
Usually that big on the phone.
Yeah. So here we are at the Van Life Festival, and it turns out that Sean is a fan of mine.
Yeah.
And Sean is mule vans, and he makes these wheel carriers. And I've got to say, these are so much better than the one I've got on my van. And they're all aluminium?
Yeah, aluminium, yeah. Yeah, T6, 3mm wall thickness.
And it's a ladder as well.
Yeah. 12 kilos all in, so
12 kilos?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot lighter than the one we've got. The one we've got steel and it's going rusty.
yeah,
And how much are they, Sean?
they're expensive.
Are they?
They're not really, no.
They look expensive.
They are, but we fit them for the 1,200 quid fitted. But
Yeah.
but when you think about it, you could do more damage to your van.
Yeah.
If you put the cheaper ones on, we've took at least 7 or 8 off now, and everyone's dinted all the back doors in the van.
So when I get our bigger van, we're going to get an extra long wheelbase Sprinter eventually.
Yeah.
Or a Vario. We're still undecided. We'll have to come see you.
Yeah, come and see us, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll look after you.
Yeah. That'd be awesome, because we
It
would
just
like a
looks
ladder.
really
so.
substantial.
Yeah,
doesn't
they
it?
are. It's solid. They're solid as well. And you know,
Did
to
you
get
have
them
to
off.
cut the hinges?
Pardon?
Do you have to cut the hinges?
No, we don't recommend it. We always put 180-degree hinges on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you swap the hinges out?
Yeah, swap them out. Yeah.
Nice.
'Cause if you cut them, that's another thing that gives you that.
Swings right round.
Yeah.
And
That's
it's
amazing.
just not wheel carriers you do either.
Oh,
I've
no,
just
no.
noticed you've got your logo on your roof rack as
Oh, we
well.
make roof racks, yeah.
There you go.
Can you see the slots?
Oh yeah, look
So
at that.
you can move your rails wherever you want them. So
Yeah.
if you've already got a van with fans on it or skylights, you can build the roof rack round it, and they all slide modular.
Well, there's only one thing left to do.
Mel's been muled.
I've been muled.
Been muled.
Thanks, buddy.
No problem.
Pleasure to meet you. And,
Yeah, you.
yeah. So here's another subscriber, just bright to yellow Mercedes Sprinter, and he says that the honeycomb theme was purely by chance.
Oh, well, am I going to be on YouTube?
Yeah?
You will.
Can I come in, Paul, and have a look?
Yeah,
Oh,
fine.
thanks, mate. Let's have a look. Look at this. Oh yeah, you got a proper bee theme going on.
Yeah, that's it.
Be happy, I like that.
Yeah.
The shower as well, and the bed is elevated.
Yeah, go on.
Have a look, let's have a look. Oh yeah. That is nice. No, I want to see
switch on the side.
I want to see the bed go up.
Okay.
Go on, I've got to see this. Hang on, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to go outside so we can get the full effect.
What, round the back?
Dying to see this. Look at the honeycomb on it. It's just so nice. And this is an is it an ex-DHL van?
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. That is awesome. You'd never know, would you?
No, that's it. And when you've got a seating area, you sit down, it's still out the way,
Yeah.
you're okay.
And you can still get to your cupboards.
Yeah, that's it. All.
Paul, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That is incredible.
Dad, is our van now a spot for tourists?
All the bees. There you go.
Yeah, I'm a tourist.
Yeah, that's it. All electric, no gas.
And you're saying that the motors are from a...
From the, you know, like when you have disability cars and you have the winch to winch people in.
Yeah.
So it's just converted to put on a shaft and
they're 12 volt?
12 volt, yeah.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. Well, there you go.
Alright.
Thank you, buddy.
Alright.
Appreciate
See you
it.
soon. Keep watching the channel.
Fantastic.
Yeah, all of that. I've got a speed controller on it.
Oh right, so you can turn it up faster.
Got a speed controller on it and everything. Yeah, it's mad.
Crazy.
Like, come on, darling, I'll give you the ride of your life.
Is that right?
You won't let the kids on it while it goes up and down, no chance. Yeah, I don't think it'd take that weight. There you go.
Squish them between the beds.
Yeah, like if you don't behave, I'm going to squish you on the bed. I love
So
it.
I'm going to do something I don't usually do. It's called B-roll. Pardon the pun.
Security, isn't it?
Yeah.
Deliveries, so yeah, you do have to do quite a bit of adaptation.
Even the B-mat.
That's so great. And even